I love making homemade gifts for people. They have more meaning, especially around the holidays when we can all get a little bit carried away spending money. I have my oven preheating at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to take my wick and I'm going to cut it so that it's about 1 inch higher than my mason jar. Then I'm going to take some crazy glue and we're going to anchor that to the bottom of the mason jar with just a few drops. It only is going to take a few seconds to anchor. So let's let that stick there for just a few seconds. Keep that centered. And we're going to add our beeswax pellets. Now this can get a little bit messy, but it's good to get your hands dirty, right? Keep this centered as you add your wax. Now the pellets are going to have a lot of air pockets in there, so add more than you think you need and really pack it in as you go. All the way to that lip. It's going to drop by about 3/4 of an inch, so you'll be surprised at how much it sinks down once it all melts. All right, now we're centering that wick. Add a little bit more to the top there. Now we're going to add our scent. We're going to add some lavender essential oils. You don't have to because beeswax smells wonderful on its own, but this is a fun way to get creative and try different scents. So add about 3 good drops, and it's going to really melt and blend into that wax as it melts. We're going to put this on a wire rack. You could also use a sheet tray, and we're going to heat it in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's completely melted. Make sure you use a good pair of tongs and a good oven mitt because this is hot. Now we're gonna let it cool for about 30 minutes until it's completely hardened. Then we're gonna trim the wick and it's ready to use. If you find that it cracks along the way, simply add in some more wax pellets and remelt it and it'll fill in any extra air pockets. For more modern pioneering tips, like this video and subscribe to my channel.